Hey guys, my best friend and I used to do sports together every Monday, and ever since I moved away, we can't do it anymore. I talked to her yesterday, and she said that she started doing yoga, and I was like, oh, okay, what is it like? She's like, yeah, cool, cool, cool. And I was like, well, send me stuff that you're doing. So she sent me a list with these yoga positions. So on Tuesday, she's like, well, let's do some yoga together over the internet. Let's Skype and do them. It's like, well, I have to kind of cheat and get kind of to know them a bit better. So what I will do today is try them out, and you can watch and make fun of me because I think that I won't be very good. So enjoy. So the first position is this one. Number 2. Nailed it. That one looks ridiculous. I'm getting quite good at this. Now that one. All in all, that was pretty good. I think I'm getting a mess in that in yoga. Gosh, Ellen, please help me. Show me how to do it right. I don't get how this is working at all. Love you. Bye.